terrible in so many places. Fortunately, it's not as bad out here, but still something to be mindful of.
It's a real clay sort of composite
like clay,
soil over
right.
in North
And
Texas.
it's luck of the draw, too. It's like one of our houses had no issues. Then we moved, had a ton of issues with that house.
Seriously?
Yeah, cracks
Wow.
everywhere in the garage, in the rooms.
And I would imagine that not only in 1 or 2 days where it's 100, but duration.
Exactly like this.
Yeah, what we're seeing, hot and dry. Take a look at here, our July high temperatures so far. Today, the hottest so far that we've seen this month, 103. But it's the 4th consecutive days where we've topped the triple-digit mark. And we've had 7 days where the temperatures have been above average. Last Saturday, temperatures were below average. Well, we see a little relief on the way tomorrow with this cold front here. It's going to dip down to about the Red River. It might make it as far south as Interstate 20. Then it kind of stalls there. So it's not a cleansing front where it brings in less humid, much cooler air, but it could provide relief in the form of a few showers or thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. That's after we heat up to 105. Yeah, 105 tomorrow. Right now, 99 in Center and Nacogdoches. Jacksonville's at 98. Tyler, 102. Mineola, 103. Emory, 103. So it's hot out there. With all that heat, you've got instability. And so the instability could create some stronger thunderstorms, which could have some winds approaching 60 miles an hour, maybe some quarter-sized hail. But that covers all of East Texas tomorrow afternoon. I'm going to go over the exact timing for you here using Futures Skycast. We'll start this tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. By 3 to 4 o'clock. That's when I think we could have a couple of stronger storms where we see those oranges pop up in Anderson County. For instance, that's one of those storms that could produce one of those stronger wind gusts. They fade away after sunset. There could be a couple of more isolated thunderstorms Sunday afternoon, but for the most part, Sunday, we're heating right back up into the mid to upper 90s, around 100 degrees for the high temperature Sunday. And then I think we're going to see that heat kind of stick with us to start next week, but there is a stronger cold front on the way next Wednesday. So rainfall amounts through the weekend are 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch. Nothing's going to bust the drought. Nothing's going to wipe out all of the dry conditions that we've had or cancel any burn bans. But just if we could get a little bit of rain, it would help the lake levels because a lot of these have now fallen below what would be considered average. Lake Tyler, though, just a little bit above average, and that's one of the rarities out there. But high temperatures Monday, 103, Tuesday, 100. This is not the heat index. This is the air temperature. 102 on Tuesday, Wednesday, 96. How nice is 94 going to feel Thursday? And that could come with some lower humidity, then back to 98 by next Friday. All right, tonight feels like a sauna. Partly cloudy skies. Where did I get the New York accent, right? 81 degrees for the overnight low. Sunrise is tomorrow, 622 and a south-southwest wind. Then we have the excessive heat warning tomorrow from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. The heat index value up to 114 degrees. The impacts here are significant increase in the potential for heat illness. So I want to point out when we hit that 114. All right, we're dangerous at 1 o'clock at 110, but it's 3 o'clock when we could see that heat index climb to 114, and then those isolated to scattered thunderstorms come in to provide a little relief. So here's the Baylor Scott and White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. Scattered afternoon, evening thunderstorms, otherwise up to 105. Rogue storm Sunday, otherwise 100. Back to 103 Monday. And then Tuesday, 102. The front arrives Wednesday with a 30 to 40% chance of rain into Thursday morning. Thursday, cooler, high around 94. Back up to 98 on Friday.